Hi, it's Morty Sill, broadcasting from my trading room in London. I just want to talk about the 6th of October. I've been looking at the charts and saw yen strength against the majors. So I got the yen grids up and I found that the euro yen had just retraced back up to its red box at 139.95. And as you can see from the four red columns, I was very keen to go short at somewhere around 139.90. So I've just dragged the FX table across to see where I got in, and you see 139.989 there, which is where I went short at about 9:28 New York time. And very soon after this, you can see that price did drop down into the 70s. I thought I was going to be lucky enough to go straight down to 139.73, which was where my limit was, immediately, and so get my profit within seconds. But the market wasn't going to let me do that, and as you can see, it just almost touched 139.73, but then went back up into the low 80s. So I knew I was going to have to wait around for a while for this trade to mature. But where there is strength in one major across the board, and you see this retracement back to a red box, then the time it takes to get from that red box to nearby band in this case is a very short period indeed. I mean, my records show that it's rarely more than 3 or 4 minutes. Now, this is a very important part of trading, is looking for strength, and you hear in the webinars, you can hear Andy Sherman looking for strength all the time. If for example you see, as I've done in other trading days, where euro is weak across the board and yen is strong across the board, then there's going to be very easy profits to be had if you trade euro yen, and euro yen's been like that over the last few weeks. You see price approaching 139.72, and there is 139.73, which was where my limit was. Just bounced back. Of course, I've got the spread to add on to this, so if I've got my limit, which is a buy order, 139.73, then I've really got to see 139.70 on the grid, because the grid shows just sell prices. As I was saying, the euro has been weak with the yen strong, and that makes the euro yen the very obvious currency pair to trade, because you're going to get very quick movements. Now, this sort of thing is just wonderful to see. If you see 4 columns like this, a 4-column roadway, and in this case to the downside, then you can walk away from this, and you don't even have to watch the stop. This is not going to go negative, this position. If this is the first time that the price has gone through past that red box and then it's retraced back up to it, then it will retest the next Fibonacci level down, and that Fibonacci level is dropping, which is always a good sign. So when the limit I went for was 139.73, and now that level has gone to 139.71, so the whole system is dropping, and this is about as near as you get to 100% guarantee in Forex trading that you're going to make a profit, and it's just a question of waiting. The automation of the grid has been a huge success. Clearly, dynamic Fibonacci trading was going to be the way forward, but here we go. So 139.69, which means that I'm out at my 139.73, and just to give you some idea of the time stamp, that's 09:31. So I went in at 28 minutes past 9 and was out by 31 minutes past. Just to show you this on the chart, L1, which is a green line, where it crosses the large down red candle, that's 139.95, just to show the point, 139.95, that's where I was trying to get in, and because the market was fast moving, the best I could get filled at was 139.89, but round about this area, but then it went right down to here, which is in the low 60s, so that was a very easy and safe trade. Now I just want to show you, so I opened 139.89 and got out 139.73, so that's 16 points, 16 pips, thank you very much. And I'm just going to show you the timing, in at 9:27, out at 9:30. So this is Morty Sill saying goodbye from my trading room in London.